The sun peeked through the soft lace curtains, casting warm golden rays on the wooden floor. It was a perfect Saturday morning as Emma and her little brother, Noah, bounded up the stone steps of Grandma's cozy cottage. The door creaked open, and there she was, Grandma, with a smile as bright as the sunshine outside. "Come in, my little explorers," she called, her voice full of warmth. Inside, the house smelled like freshly baked cookies and wildflowers. He will tick gently, setting a slow, comforting rhythm to the day. Grandma's house was like a treasure chest full of memories, secrets, and surprises. After gobbling down a plate of chocolate chip cookies, Emma and Noah dashed out to the garden. It was huge, with roses, sunflowers, and tulips swaying in the breeze. At the far end was the old oak tree, where Grandma had hung a tire swing years ago. Noah ran to it, laughing as Emma gave him a push, his legs swinging high into the air. "Careful, Noah," Grandma called out, watching from her chair on the porch, knitting something colorful. Her glasses sat low on her nose, but her eyes sparkled as she watched them play. Later, they wandered into the attic, where all of Grandma's old things were kept. Dust floated in the beams of light that streamed through the little window. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, Grandma called them in for dinner. They gathered around the wooden dining table, the smell of homemade pot pie filling the air. The day ended with stories by the fireplace, Grandma telling them about her childhood, her voice soft and comforting. Before they knew it, the stars were twinkling outside the window, and it was time to go home. Emma and Noah hugged Grandma tightly. "Can we come back tomorrow?" Noah asked, his eyes big and hopeful. Grandma chuckled softly. "Of course, my darlings. There's always a new adventure waiting here." As they drove away, Emma looked back at the house, its windows glowing with the warm light of love and memories. It had been a perfect day, a day full of magic, laughter, and the simple joys of being at Grandma's house.